AP Bren surprised Onyx Philippines after sweeping them 2-0. You know what time it is? Hands in. Legit nung Lunes, siguro in-expect ko na magiging mabilis lang yung araw, but I didn't expect it to go AP Bren's way. Considering yung mga naging performance nila over the past few weeks, medyo shaky. Nakakasabay naman sila pero hindi nila natatapos ng malinis yung laro. Pero ibahin nyo yung sa Onyx PH. Right from the start, they were leading in both games 1 and 2. Tsaka sinabi din sa amin ni James Fox nung interview na super big deal yung pagkakapanalo nila doon. Kasi nakuha nila yon kontra sa isang malakas na team. Was already at the upper half of the standings. Kasi sila din mismo naghahabol sila ng points. So every single matchup matters as of this moment. Pantay yata sila ng TNC sa 6th place but they're currently at 7th kasi natalo yata sila ng TNC during the first round if I remember correctly. Yung match na yun ang buhay na patunay na sobrang laking bagay talaga ng preparation. I asked James Punks, big deal ba yun sa inyo na na-move yung schedule nyo sa Monday? Sabi nila na mas napaganda pa yun para sa kanila kasi mas nakapaghanda sila. Onyx PH was the only match of AP Bren last week. So those 2 extra days, talagang ginugol nila yon para sa paghahanda at para pulido yung magiging plano nila pag nakalaban na nila ang Onyx PH. Are they gonna make the same exact perfect preparations kontra sa mga natitira nilang kalaban? Ang isa na doon ay ang Team Falcons. Nagugustuhin nilang matulak palalo pababa sa standings if they wanna make the playoffs.